So the way I kind of view domain extensions is they're like little, I don't know, kernel modules or something inside of the Mixin domains. So I think that's why they call them domain extensions, because they're they're like plugins inside your domain that you can use to do certain things. Like, for example, maybe you write a smart contract in your Mixin domain so that anytime an asset is transferred to your Mixin domain, you might want to maybe like increase somebody's interest rate or something to that effect, right? Like anything you'd want to do in a smart contract should be done in a domain extension. You can see that up here in the diagram as well by looking. See how they have these yellow circles inside the blue ones. The blue ones are the domain nodes, and these yellow ones are, like I said, kind of little compute units inside of your Mixin domain node. That's basically what they are. We won't actually be using them too much in the course, so we won't talk too much about them in the white paper. So that's essentially the white paper. After this, after they talk kind of about the architecture and all these other things, they just go through and say, like, this is why Mixin is superior to something like an exchange. And I gotta say, I do agree with them. It's a very interesting concept. It's very similar to a decentralized exchange in my opinion. So they just go through and say, like, this is why, it's more secure, more efficient, and all these other things. So, a lot of people aren't liking how centralized crypto is because of the exchanges, and I think Mixin is making an attempt at fixing that problem. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.